I just had to let you know you're.
Good day everyone, milk tea has become one of the most popular drinks today, especially among students. But what if you could design your own perfect drinks online? That's exactly what our website is all about. And now, we are Groove Tea and today we will present a specialty of milk tea. So first, in any computer device or laptop, we created a folder then named it after our subject where this project is for. Then after naming it, we opened another application called Visual Studio Code. Click the file, new file and type index.html and then click this create new file. This will pop up. So the next thing you should do is to find the folder you created. Click it and open. After, click the Explorer and click Open Folder, then look for your folder again before typing again in the index.html and open. Click this Yes, I trust the author, and there you have it. Just click the index.html and we can now start.
Good day everyone, I will explain the structure and design of our website called Specialty of Milk Tea. First, this code is written using HTML, which is the main structure of a website. It tells the browser what content to display. At the top, we have the doctype HTML, which tells the browser that this is an HTML5 document. Then the HTML tag contains the whole website. Inside the head section, we define important settings. For example, the meta char set UTF-8 ensures that the text displays correctly, and the meta name viewport makes the website responsive on mobile devices. We also added a title which is a specialty of milk tea, so that's what appears on the browser tab. Next, we use external tools like Tailwind CSS and Lucid icons. Tailwind helps us design the website faster using ready-made styles, while Lucid provides icons. We also imported fonts from Google Fonts like Paper Display and DM Sans to make the website more visual appealing. Now, inside the style section, we created custom animations using CSS. For example, the float animation makes elements move up and down smoothly. The steam rise animation creates a steam effect like hot milk tea. The bubble animation makes the robot move slightly. The fade in and slide up animations are used to smoothly show sections. We also created classes like menu, card, and BT and primary to style buttons and cards with hover effects and transitions.
Now I will explain the body section of our website. The body contains all the visible content that user can see on our website. We use the class H fold to make the page take up the full height of the screen. Inside it, we create a main container called App Wrapper. This controls the layout and background color of the whole website. And we use a soft brown theme to match the milk tea concept. At the top, we have the navigation bar using the HAV tag. This section is fixed, meaning it stays at the top even when you scroll it. It includes a logo, which is milk tea cup made using SVG. The links like home, about, menu, services, and contact. We also added a mobile menu button so that navigation works on smaller screen. This makes the website responsive.
Next, we have the service selection. This explains what business offers us as custom creation, where customers can design this on milk tea delivery and pickup for convenience, event catering for parties, and special occasions. Each service is displayed in a card layout with icons and description to make it easy to understand.
At the bottom of the hero section, we added a wave design using SVG. This makes the transition to the next section smoother and more visually appealing. After that, we have the About section. This section explains the story of the brand. It includes a heading brewed with passion, served with heart, a paragraph describing the milk tea concept. On the left side, we added another illustration showing tea leaves and teapot to represent tea culture. On the right side, we include the featured highlights such as premium leaves, unique flavors made with love. These are placed inside the cards to make the context organized and easy to read.
Now, I will explain the interactive milk tea builder feature of our website. In this section, users can create their own milk tea. First, we have the sweetness level. The options are 0%, 50%, and 100%. These are buttons, and when clicked, they trigger a function called Select Sweet. This allows the system to record the user's preferred sweetness. Next, we have the topping section. Here, users can select multiple toppings using checkboxes such as tapioca pearls, cream cheese foam, coconut jelly, and brown sugar syrup. This allows users to customize their drink based on their preference. After that, we added an input field where users can name their drink. For example, my perfect pearl tea.
Then we have the Create My Drink button. When clicked, it runs a function called Create Milk Tea. This function will generate a customized drink based on the selected options. Beside it, we have a preview section. This shows the result of the user's selected ingredients. If nothing is selected yet, it displays the message, select ingredients to see your creation. This improves users' experience because they can see their drink below before finalizing it. Below that, we have the Your Creation section. This is where all the created milk tea designs will appear. If there are no creations yet, it shows a default message encouraging users to try the builder. Next, we have the menu section. This displays the available milk tea products. Each item is placed inside the card design like classic milk tea, specialty flavors, and each card is clickable. When clicked, it triggers the function toggle menu, which expands the menu and shows more details. For example, under classic milk tea, it shows original milk tea, brown sugar milk tea, special Okinawa milk tea, and mango matcha milk tea, along with their prices. Now, I will continue explaining the remaining parts of our website.
In this part, we continue the menu section. We added more categories like specialty flavors, which include drinks like Taro Cream Delight, Matcha Latte Fusion, Cream Brulee Tea, and Lavender Drink. Next is the fruit tea blends, which offers refreshing options such as Mango Paradise, Passion Fruit Burst, Lychee Roasty, and Strawberry Bliss. We also include an add-on section. This users allows to customize their drinks further by adding tapioca pearls, cream cheese foam, coconut jelly, and sugar syrup. Each item has an additional price, and all the menu cards are like clickable using the toggle menu function to expand and show detail.
Next, we have the service selection. This explains what business offers us as custom creation, where customers can design this on milk tea delivery and pickup for convenience, event, catering for parties, and special occasions. Each service is displayed in a card layout with icons and description to make it easy to understand.
So after that, we have the contact section. This allows user to reach out the business. On the left side, we display important information like email address, social media platform, business hours, and also we added a clickable social media icons. On the right side, we create a contact form where user can enter their name, input their email, and write a message. When they click the send message button, it submits the form and shows a successful message. Lastly, we have footer section. This is the bottom part of the website, which includes the logo and the brand name. A short tagline: sip happiness in every cup. Contact, email, and copyright information.
Now, I will explain the final part of our website. This section is divided into two parts. Left side, contact information. Here, users can see the email address of the business, social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and X, business hours, which are from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. We also added icons to make the information more visualized, clear, and organized. On the right, we created a contact form where users can enter their name, input their email, and write a message. When the user clicks send message, a success message appears. This is handled using JavaScript, which presents the image of reloading that gives feedback to the user.
One of the unique features of our website is the mini robot guide, also called the T-Bot. It is located at the bottom right corner of the screen. When clicked, it opens a chat bubble, it grades the users, and it gives optional link, show menu, and tell story, and contact section, and it gives tips. This improves user experience by guiding users around the website. At the bottom, we use the JavaScript to make the website interactive. Some key functions include: number 1, smooth scrolling. When user click navigation links, the page smoothly scrolls instead of jumping. Number 2, mobile menu toggle. This allows the menu to open and close on a smaller screen. Number 3, menu expansion. The function toggle menu allows menu card to expand and show more details when clicked. Number 4, contact form handling. The form uses JavaScript to prevent page reload, show a success message, and automatically reset the form. Number 5, scroll animation. Section appear with animation when the user scroll down the page. Number 6, robot function. The robot includes the function like toggle chat, open and close the chat, Robot Navigate brings the user to the section. Show tips, display random multi tips.
Now I will explain the JavaScript functionality behind the Multi Builder, which makes the website interactive. First, we have a function like select suite, open close parenthesis, and select size, open close parenthesis. These functions are used when the user click buttons for columns, sweetness level, and cup size. When click column, it highlights the select option and reset the other buttons. Then updates the preview. Next is the upload preview, open close parenthesis function. This function can collect all user input like pasty, size, sweets, and toppings. Then dynamically display a preview of the milk tea. It even shows a visual cup illustration, select toppings, price, and details. If no selection is made, it shows a message prompting the user to choose ingredients.
Then we have the create multi function. This runs when the users click create my drink. It does the following: checks if required field like base and size are selected, saves the customized drink into a list, displays it in the your creation section, and resets the form for the next input. It also shows a successful animation on the button, making the experience more interactive. Next, in the render creations functions, this function displays all created drinks, shows details like name, size, sweetness, toppings, and price, adds buttons like delete or trash icons, and order button.
The order creation function sends a message to the tea bot, confirms the user's selected drink, and simulates adding it to the cart. We also added event listeners, which means when users change inputs, the preview updates automatically, and this creates a smooth and responsive experience. We added a small feature where the T-bot shows a notification after a few seconds, and this encourages users to interact with the assistant. Lastly, we initialized icons using lucid.create icons and added scroll animations so elements appear smoothly when scrolling, and we're done. And now we have to click File, look for your folder and upload it there, click the index, click Yes to confirm, and now we have our website. To see your website, go to the folder and click Open, and there you have it. Thank you for watching.